Hi, I'm Mark from Trailbuddy. Today we've got a great little product that we manufacture here in the US. It's called our bike building stand. So it's a really cool concept. You'll receive it here in a bag where it's a flat pack like this. And then you've got instructions in here and all the fasteners, everything you need to put it together. So the basic kit is this guy right here. So this is your basic Trailbuddy building stand. Now why is it a building stand? The different concept we have here is it's a really good idea to put your motor on the stand first when you're doing your assembly, and then bring all your parts and pieces to it. And when you're doing that, what you want to do is you want to take your engine mount, you're going to mount it to the engine, slip your engine in the assembly in here, tighten this guy down. You don't need to over tighten, a little bit does it. And you got your engine here, and you'll assemble your entire bike. And when your bike's done, what you do is you let this loose, and it drops the bike on its tires. What does that do for you? That helps. When we first started doing lots of restorations, we would have the whole bike done, and then we try to bring the engine up into the frame, which would just lead to scratching and really bad practices. So this has been a really good advancement in what we do, and we use these all the time in the shop. And then you can get your own here. So the basic one comes with the engine mount and the frame. It comes in two halves. You've got your two fasteners here that hold the front and the back, and then you've got your main pieces here and an anti-crush spacer here. Bolt them up. They come with nylock nuts, and then we've got our frame part here, which you can see, which helps it give more adjustment on your engine bracket, and our jam nut. So we did a really cool stainless steel Trailbuddy logo here. Really sets it off, and we've got these little rubber pieces here to keep it from rolling off your bench, and it's a great bench top unit. So we do have other accessories though too. Let's move this bag out of the way. What we have here in the bag is a frame mount, so if you got to do a lot of body work, what you'll do is you'll take this guy out like this, and then put this unit in here like that. So this has the right bolt pattern for your frame. This can be purchased separately or all together. This one is TB23D, which is just the unit here. Now let's say you've got everything done and you've got your mini bikes and you really want to have a nice stand to be able to put your bikes on. There really isn't a stand out there today that's low enough for the Trail 70s or Z50s or smaller bikes. So another attachment that you can use for your Trailbuddy, your bike building stand here is our top plate. So this plate here will come with a rubber anti-skid piece. It'll come with all these little bolts and nuts, and what it does is it bolts right to that engine mounting plate that comes with the original kit, and you've got more use for your stand after you're done building. And you can adjust the height up and down for what you want to have for the bike that you're using, and you can have your tires just off the ground so it's not sitting on a full-size motocross stand. This is also a nice added piece. So you can get this as an added, or you can get the frame mount. But the basic piece is here, which is the Trailbuddy stand with the engine mount. So you can find this product and everything else that we have on mytrailbuddy.com. Thanks.